Welcome back to AcuRolling Facial Rejuvenation. This is Nancy Byrne. So now that you've learned some of the basics, lifting the forehead, going around the cheekbone, going into the jaw, we're going to do more of a flow class. So the only difference is I'll go into the eye area a little bit and lip area a little bit, and we're going to do one whole side of the face and then the other whole side of the face so that you can really feel the differences and the effects of the work you're doing. Okay, so let's get started. Take the larger ball and put it behind your neck, tucking your chin towards your chest. And then take the smaller ball and put it in between your eyebrows and press down. Pressing into the ball, putting a little pressure into that spot between your eyebrows. And now we're going to shift. We're going to press in towards the face and then up. So we're lifting the forehead. We're lifting the frontal bone, which puts a lot of pressure on the eye area. And then keep some pressure on the ball, but roll it up and then press in and push up towards your hairline. Keep your chin tucked and keep the pressure on the ball. You can play with it. Some people like a lot of pressure down. Some people like less. And lift up towards your hairline and then pull the ball up into the hairline. There's a really nice relaxing point right here. Press the ball into the inner eyebrow on one side. Tuck your chin, press in to the ball using as much pressure as feels comfortable, and then lift up towards your hairline. Feel your eyebrow lifting. And then roll the ball up, press in towards the forehead, and lift up towards the hairline. And then push or pull the ball up into the hairline. And then go to the middle eyebrow. Pull up. So connect with breath, connect with your body. You're doing acupressure on all of these lines, and you're also creating space between the spaces between bones in the fissures. And part of the aging process is that they squish together. And roll the ball up, press in, and lift towards the hairline. And then pull the ball into the hairline. Go to the outer eyebrow. You can feel there's kind of an indent. You don't want to go past the indent. On the edge of the forehead bone, press in and lift. Roll halfway to the hairline, press in and lift. Tuck your chin. And then pull the ball into the hairline. Okay, and take a breath there. Now we're going to go into the side of the eye. So you feel your frontal bone, your forehead bone, and your cheekbone. They meet there. So put the ball right there where they meet and roll it in slightly. And just let it sit there. Put a little gentle pressure there and activate both bones. So a lot of pressure comes from these bones not having enough space, a lot of tension in the eye. So let the ball gently come in and make some space there. And then you can gently pull down on your cheek as you lift the ball up into the frontal bone or the forehead bone. And then you can gently pull up above your eyebrow as you press the ball down into your cheekbone. And then take the ball out, blink your eyes. Just take a few moments to breathe. And now we're going to go around the cheekbone. So put the ball a little bit above the nostril in the actual side of the nose bone. Press inward. And then press down into your cheek and pull out towards your ear. And then keep some pressure on the ball as you roll it out. Press in towards your cheekbone and pull out towards your ear. Roll it out. Push in towards your cheekbone and pull out towards your ear. Tuck your chin. Roll it out. Push in towards your cheekbone. Pull out towards your ear. And then keep the pressure on the ball as you pull out, flattening your ear to your skull, and take a moment to feel that. Sometimes people feel like an energetic widening of their face on that side. And then you'll go to nostril height, press into the bone. And then press into the cheek and pull out towards the ear. And roll the ball out, press into the cheek and pull out towards the ear. This idea of widening out and plumping up the cheekbone. Roll the ball out, press into the bone and pull out towards the ear. Tuck your chin. Roll the ball out, press into the bone, pull out towards the ear. And then continue to pull that bone. Pull the ball over, flatten out the ear. And take a little breather. So taking a moment to breathe really helps to integrate the work into the body. And then we're going to go just below the nostril on that side. And then go out and lift up into the cheekbone. It'll lift your lips. Lots of major acupuncture points along these lines. Pull out and lift up. Pull out and lift up. And you can stay anywhere, any space that feels a little more tender, you can stay there and breathe to that space a little bit more. Pull out and lift, and then push over the earlobe and take a moment to breathe there. I'm going to go into the corner of the lip on this side. Just the corner of the lip. Press in and pull out. Release that and just feel how that softened the tension around your lips. And then same thing, press into the side next to the lip, but you're going to use your hand on the other side and pull away. So you're going to pull in opposite directions. And let that go. Now we're going to go around the jaw. So ball goes under the center of the lips. You can press in and let your jaw open a little bit. And then lift your chin slightly, let the ball roll under. Press up into the jaw. Lift your chin and use your hands to pull. This time you can actually feel skin pulling and push all the way down into the top of your sternum, into your breastbone. And then take a minute to feel that. And we'll go in the jaw, below the lip on that side. Press into the bone. Let the ball roll under into your jaw. Press into the jaw a little bit and then press back towards the neck. Use both hands to stretch the skin down towards the collarbone as you lift the chin, getting a nice front of the neck stretch. And then take a moment. Feel your jaw starting to relax on that side. Feel your shoulder starting to relax on that side. Maybe feel how your whole face on that side is more energetically alive, lit up. So take the ball almost to the angle of the jaw, about in line with the outer corner of your eye. Press in. Lift your chin, roll under the jaw, press into the jaw, and then press towards the neck. Lift and stretch down, all the way down till you're to the collarbone, about midway to the collarbone. And then take a few breaths. And then come out to the angle of the jaw, press in, lift. Go under the angle of the jaw, press up, and then towards the neck, lift your chin, pull with both hands down to the outer edge of the collarbone, and then all the way out to your shoulder joint. So you can let go with the hand on that side, into the shoulder joint, and push the top of the arm out and away. And then just take a few breathers there. We're going to finish that side by lifting the forehead on that side. So come to the center between the eyebrows, lift up. Keep tension, roll the ball, press in and lift up. And then lift. And then just go to the middle. Lift. Middle of the eyebrow and lift. Roll up, press in, lift towards the hairline. And then press. We just need to do those 2 points. Now take a few breaths, maybe close your eyes. Feel the differences between that side of your face and the face that we didn't do yet. Is there more stimulation, more of awareness? Does your eye feel more open on that side? Is your jaw lighter? Is your shoulder closer to the ground on that side? Okay, let's do the other side. So let's start in the center, press in, lift, roll up, press in, lift, pull towards the hairline. Come to the inner eyebrow, press in and lift, roll halfway up, press in and lift, pull towards the eyebrow. Center of the eyebrow, press in and lift, roll up, press in, lift towards the hairline, pull towards the hairline. Outer eyebrow, press in and lift. Roll up halfway, press in and lift towards the hairline, pull towards the hairline. Now we'll go to the outer eye. You can feel for the 2 bones. And come in, and you can roll in a little bit, as close as you can get without affecting the eyeball. And you can feel the bone is touching, the ball is touching the 2 bones. Just let it kind of settle in there and stimulate those 2 bones. And then you can pull up on the forehead as you press down into the cheekbone. And pull down on the cheekbone as you press up into the forehead. And then just take a few moments to breathe and feel the energy and the circulation coming to that area. A lot of people report, in addition to glowing skin and less wrinkles, that their eyesight gets better and that their hearing becomes sharper. There's a lot of benefits to this work. Okay, so we'll go into the side of the nose, above the nostril in the bone. Press in. And then press in towards your cheek and pull out towards your ear. And roll the ball out, press in towards your cheekbone and pull out towards your ear. Roll the ball out, press in, and pull it out towards your ear. And then stretch the ball all the way until you flatten the ear against your skull. We'll go to nostril height. Press in towards the nose. Push the ball towards the cheekbone and pull out towards your ear. Roll the ball out, press in towards the cheekbone, pull out towards the ear. Roll the ball out, press in towards your cheekbone, pull out towards the ear. Roll the ball out, flatten your ear against your skull. Take a moment. Now we'll go under the cheekbone. So go a little like lower than nostril height and press up into the cheekbone. Roll out and press up. Roll out and press up in line with the outer eye. So one side might feel more tender, one side might feel tighter. Roll out and press up. Roll out and press up, and then roll over the earlobe and take a little breather. Okay, side of the mouth. Press to the side of the mouth and pull it out. Let go of that. And then again, press to the side of the mouth, but this time pull the other side. And let that go. And come to the chin, press in. You can let your jaw open up a little, let your teeth open. And then roll the ball under the chin. You can lift your chin, press up into the jaw for a moment, and then press back slightly towards your neck. Use both hands. Lift your chin, stretch the skin, press down into your breastbone. And breathe. Go in line with the outer corner of your mouth. Press in. Roll under. Press up. Press back towards your neck. Take both hands. Stretch the ball down into the inner edge of your collarbone. Roll down. Sometimes you feel that all the way into the ear. Come to here, in line with the outer eye. Press in. Roll under the chin, lift. Lift your chin, press towards the neck. Use both hands to stretch the skin down. Go to middle of your collarbone. You can even lift the chin for an extra stretch. Back up with your shoulders dropping. And then come into the angle of your jaw, right in front of the ear. Press in. Go underneath, lift your chin, press up into the jaw, press back towards the neck. Use both hands to stretch down, side of the neck, into the outer collarbone. Drop that arm down now. Go to the outer collarbone and then into the shoulder and press that away. And then let that go. We'll finish by lifting the middle and middle of each eyebrow. Go in between your eyes, press in, roll up halfway, press in and lift towards your hairline, and then keeping pressure on, pull up into your hairline. Very nice. Middle of the eyebrow, press in, lift. Keep the pressure, roll, press in, lift towards your hairline, and then pull towards your hairline. Other side, middle of the eyebrow, press in, lift. Roll up halfway, press in, lift towards your hairline, and pull towards your hairline. Take a few moments, breathe into your face. Feel relaxation. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.